Good morning, beautiful souls. Good morning, courageous souls. There has been this desire for me to host somebody and to have a conversation and talk deeper about womb wounds and mother wounds and how we can facilitate healing, especially for Tina. Abantu besifazane, inzala abantu. And I've been guided that due to the sensitivity of this subject, we should have this type of a chat or conversation in a safe space. So as a result, the chat will be happening, the conversation will be happening, but it will be a closed session. It will be a closed session. I will be hosting Uteboho Buntu, also known as Mama T of Ebukhosini Solutions, on the 30th of November from 6 to about 7 p.m. Talking about this very sensitive subject, but very important subject for us to talk about, to deal with, and to understand how we can start healing our wounds, start healing our womb wounds, start healing our mother wounds. So I have a limited slots for the session. Like I said, the intention is to create a healing circle. It is to create a safe space for us to talk about this topic. So slots will be limited. Do drop me a DM, a text, or an email. I will be putting out a poster with all the details. Send me a DM, send me a text if you would like to register. The session will be held via Zoom. Thank you so much. I do hope that most of you guys will be joining me on this journey of healing. Let us remember that every time a woman heals herself, she heals her grandmothers, she heals generations to come. So let's prioritize our healing. Let us prioritize, let us be intentional about our healing. Do join me. I'm hoping this will be a series. I'm hoping this will be the beginning of a healing cycle. I'm hoping this will be a beginning of many journeys for those people out there who are intentional and who are saying, I would love to heal so that my kids can heal, so that I can show up as a better version of myself for my children, so that my lineage can be healed, so that future generations can have it a bit better. Thank you so much. Have a great day further.